Welcome to my channel, dear student. That is the problem of integration, and basically this is the for the honors subject and also the BSc, and it is given that the 0 to infinity and sin x by x dx, and that would be pi by 2 actually. So देखो यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम आप लोगों को कैलकाटा ऑनर्स का जो एग्ज़ाम होता है, दिस इज गिवन टू द एग्ज़ाम ऑन 1987. Okay, actually I am using here arbitrary related integration, okay, that is called the parameter, and then we have to solve this question. Okay, so see so what is the technique here? देखो यहाँ पे मैं मान लेता हूँ a function that is f of a, okay, and that is 0 to infinity with related to a parameter, that is we introduce a part of the function that is e to the power minus ax, and this is sin x and dx, where a is called parameter and this is more than equal to 0 actually. Okay, so a more than 0 होगा, उसी हिसाब से उससे कम होगा. अभी मैं इसको डेरिवेटिव कर रहा हूँ with respect to a, so that is 0 to infinity and this is partial derivative with respect to a. Okay, and this is 0 to infinity. We got here minus x and minus ax sin x by x. So this is minus 0 to infinity. This is minus 0 to infinity e to the power minus ax and sin x. This is your dx. Okay, now I am find this value. Okay, so let I is equal to, this is here e to the power minus ax and sin x and dx. Use the unity v formula. So apply the partial integral u into v, integration by parts. Okay, so sin x dx, and in place of the derivative of this with respect to x, minus e to the power minus ax. If we integrate, then this is plus, this is actually cos x and dx. Okay, so and this is equal to minus e to the power minus ax and this is cos x. Now again apply u into v, minus, if we differentiate, then we got here a into the power minus x. If we integrate, then we got here sin x and this is dx. So see, this is I. So I is equal to, okay, this is minus e to the power x cos x plus a into we got here sin x. Okay, then sin x, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, then minus, so minus a square into I, therefore I is equal to minus e to the power minus ax cos x plus a sin x plus a square plus 1 plus c. This is I. This is the value of integral e to the power minus x sin x and dx, and that is this is your minus, so we got here e to the power minus x by a square plus 1 and cos x plus a sin x, okay, plus c. Now I have to find the value of, this is infinity. Now find minus 0 to b e to the power minus x sin x dx, okay, and that is equal to e to the power minus ax cos x plus a sin x by a square plus 1 and 0 to b. When b tends to infinity, then 0 to infinity e to the power minus x and sin x, and that would be, if we put here, this is here, whole thing is 0, okay, minus 1 by a square plus 1 by, if we put 0. Therefore, actually see, f dash a is equal to this. Same figure is here. We got your answer minus 1 by a square. So actually this is equal to minus a square plus 1. Okay, see. So therefore f dash a is equal to this. So f dash a is equal to minus 1 by a square plus 1. Therefore f of a is equal to, this is here tan inverse a plus c. See carefully, if we put here 0, 0, then we got 0 to infinity sin x by x. This is your requirement, okay? So that's why you have to find the value of f of 0. So that is minus tan inverse 0 plus c. So c is equal to f of 0 actually, and that is equal to 0 to infinity, this is sin x by x and dx. This is your queries. So you have to find the value of f of 0. Now if we put infinity, what happens? See, when a tends to infinity, then f of infinity, that is 0 to infinity, this is limit a tends to infinity, 0 to infinity e to the power minus ax and sin x, and this is dx. See, here is a tends to infinity. If we put here this infinity, this is a very large number, so 1 by that large number is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a clear view. So now again, f of a is equal to tan inverse a plus c, okay, from this. Okay, f of a is equal to tan inverse a plus c, and c means f of 0. okay, यहाँ पे डाल दो. अभी देखो यहाँ पे जब a tends to infinity होगा, क्या इवेंट होता है? That is infinity. Infinity means actually this is minus pi by 2 and c, and then f of infinity, and this is a very large number, c, f of infinity. Then you put here infinity, this is a tends to infinity, this is the big large number, or 1 by that big large number is equal to actually 0, where a is a positive, okay. So 1 by that big large number is equal to actually 0. So from that sense, we can say this is the value is 0 here. So 0 is equal to minus pi by 2 plus c equal to 0. So c is equal to pi by 2. So c is equal to pi by 2. Then f dash 0 is equal to c, and we got the value of pi by 2. And f of 0, if we put 0, then sin x by x dx. Actually your requirement 0 to pi by 2 here, okay. So 0 to pi by 2 sin x by dx is equal to f dash 0, and the value of f of 0 equal to c, and the value of c is here pi by 2. So we can say 0 to infinity sin x by x dx is equal to pi by 2, okay. Thank you.